In this video, I'm going to show you how to go back to older version of Filmora. Okay, so you know that Filmora 14 is around the corner. So we need to upgrade to Filmora 14 from Filmora 13. By the way, because it is not free to upgrade, so sometimes when you upgrade to Filmora 14, you have to pay for the upgrade fee. And if you don't want to pay for the upgrade fee, you need to go back to the older version of Filmora. So it happened to you when you have a perpetual license of Filmora 13 only. If you have an annual plan or cross-platform plan, you don't need to go back to the older version because it is free to upgrade to Filmora 14. By the way, if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. If you like the video, just hit the like button. And if you have any question, just let me know at the comment section. And if you want to purchase a license of Filmora, don't forget to use my 20% discount coupon code in the description to save your money. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Okay, so first thing first, you need to double check the version you are using. So to do that, we can just go to the Help tab right here and then check for update. Currently, I'm using Filmora 14.0.5 beta version. And right now, they have Filmora 14.0.6, okay, with a very important information here. Perpetual user can have a free trial of Filmora 14. One click revert if unsatisfied. More updates are as follow. They say that we can revert to the older version of Filmora in just one click, but actually it is not correct, especially if you have an annual license or cross-platform license or lifetime license like me. Okay, so if you have a lifetime license, for example, this is my lifetime license and I have an annual license and also cross-platform license, I will log in to my account center. Okay, and you see that we don't have any button to go back to the older version. For example, right here, if we use a perpetual license or stuff like that, we have a button here to go back to the older version. Okay, but this is the lifetime license, so we don't have a button to go back to the older version. And for the annual license, I don't have the button to go back to the older version also. So you can just close this one and also close Filmora. And now you want to open your web browser and go to filmora.wondershare.com. Okay, so let's close this one and open web browser. Okay, and I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any Firefox or Bing or anything. Okay, and go to their main website, filmora.wondershare.com, and press enter. And now you can see that they released Filmora 14. So more AI video in less click. If you want to try it, you can just click here, get started for free, or you can click the buy now button. And now you need to go back to the older version, right? You need to click the support button right here. Okay, and this is Wondershare Help Center. And now you want to scroll down here and click the file a download button. Okay, download and install, and then file a download. And then you want to select the product from here, select Filmora, and select the system. They have Windows or Mac OS. So for example, I'm using Windows, so I will select Windows right here. And next up, you want to select the version. Okay, so they have 14.0.6, and the highest version of Filmora 13 is 13.6.13. okay, and they even have 11, 10, and the lowest is Filmora 10. They don't have Filmora 9 right here. Okay, if you want to download Filmora 9, maybe you have to contact the support. This is the support button. You can contact them and ask them for Filmora 9. Okay, for example, now I want to go back to Filmora 13. I can select it, and then I can click this button, Windows 64-bit. Okay, and it will download this package to my computer. Okay, I can click here, and this is 628 megabyte, so I need to wait for it. So after finish, I will install it on my computer and open Filmora to show you it is Filmora 13. Okay, and being mentioned that when installing the older version of Filmora, you don't need to remove the newer version. You don't need to do anything, just install it. It will cover the newer version. Okay,
A few moments later.
Okay, and we can double click to install it. Okay, and we have the language option. So I will select English and then I can click OK. And now I'm opening Filmora 14. So maybe it will ask me to close Filmora 14. By the way, I will close it first. The setup has detected that another version is already on your computer. To install current version, it has to be removed first. Then you want to click yes. And then you want to click next. Agree with the agreement. And next. And next. Creating directories. Okay, it's done. Filmora version 13.6.13. And now I can open a new project. Okay, and it asks me to upgrade to Filmora 14. Upgrade now. More upgrade information. So we can check for the version by going to Help and About. And this is my Filmora 13. Okay, so this is how to go back to the older version of Filmora. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, just let me know at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.